All right, news now coming in that a lawyer has written to the Chief Justice of India with prayer for suo motu cognizance in the Kolkata alleged gang rape case. So now this is being taken up legally as well, a letter seeking directions for judicially monitored CBI investigation and action against TMC leaders Kalyan Banerjee and Madan Mitra. Now there's a reason for it and I'll tell you why. The letter is, the petition is seeking directions for directing immediate transfer of the probe of the case to the CBI, basically out and away from Bengal, especially after some of the statements that have come in from Kalyan Banerjee, senior leader, MP, and Madan Mitra as well. Remember, Kalyan Banerjee also had made a statement on the first day itself. Police cannot do everything. Women have to be careful who they associate themselves with, where do they go. Let's listen in also to what Madan Mitra said.
कस्बा की घटना से एक मैसेज आ गया पूरा लड़की लोग पूरा स्टूडेंट लोगों को पास जे अगर आपको किसी जान पहचान ने बुलाए तो जिस दिन कॉलेज बंद है परीक्षा चल रहा है आपको यूनिट की कुछ बनाएगा तो आप मत जाइए, इसमें आपको भला नहीं होगा। वो लड़की अगर नहीं जाता तो ये घटना नहीं घटते थे। अगर जाने का टाइम लड़की किसी को बता के जाते थे, दो सहेलियां लेके जाते थे, ये नहीं घटते। वो जो देख रहे हम जो गंदा काम किया वो he had taken the advantage of the situation.
So you know how some of the men are behaving with political clout and intimidation, but the onus is on the woman like always. Our legal correspondent Anisha Mathur joins me for the latest on that. Anisha, tell me about this petition. Who has it been filed and why does it drag in these politicians?
Well, Pooja, this letter petition has been sent to the Office of the Chief Justice of India by a Delhi-based lawyer who is saying that cases like this require judicial intervention. Now, very interestingly, he has said that the alleged involvement, and I'm reading from the petition here, alleged involvement of a TMC-affiliated accused raises serious concerns about potential political patronage enabling criminal impunity. Also, he's pointed out that the investigation in sexual offences must be completely free from external influences. Thirdly, what he's pointed out is that there has been that this kind of judicial intervention is necessary to protect the victim and her family, particularly since extremely victim-shaming statements have been made by senior political leaders. He said clearly that there has been a failure to implement the Aparajita bill also in West Bengal. The central government also not supported the implementation. And it has now, the petition has sought not only CBI investigation, it has also sought protection for the victim and her family, ensuring that safety measures are set up in educational institutions, including CCTVs, surveillance, dedicated women's safety cells, background verification for all staff. Remember, that is very, very necessary because in this case, the information that we've got is that the person, the main accused in this case has had several complaints against him, but he was still employed as a staff of this college. What he's also asking for is safety awareness programs and training, security audits, vulnerability assessments, and more, and also appropriate action against TMC leaders like Kalyan Banerjee and Madan Mitra and any other public representatives who engage in victim shaming and make derogatory remarks. Now, we'll have to see if and when the Supreme Court takes up this matter, but this letter petition has been sent to the court raising very serious issues. Back to you.
Anisha, stay on with me. Madan Mitra said that if you're being called at an odd hour for a unit promotion or appointment, don't take it. Meanwhile, Kalyan Banerjee had said women should also be careful.